Hey guys, guess what I have? Bandit signs. These are so cute. I'm just gonna grab a few more of these and a couple more. I only need about 30. Okay, so I have my bandit signs here. I'm gonna lay them all out on my bed. Spread those out, spread those out. I'm only using 30 because I am putting these out by myself and I don't want to overwhelm myself. So here are the stakes, the H rods, or whatever you want to call it. You only need a few of these as well. So the stakes are actually going to go in these bandit signs. They're going to go in these little teeny tiny holes that you see here. So make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can see how I put them together.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you how to put out bandit signs, how to put them together, where to get them from, and you'll be watching this live, so you'll be seeing me actually doing this stuff. So if you could, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe while you're at it, and let's jump into the video. Okay, so this is my bandit sign. It says cash for your house. I didn't want to do a we buy houses sign because everybody says we buy houses. I wanted to do it a little bit different. Also, I will tell you guys at the end some different tricks and things like that to make your bandit sign stand out. Initially, I wanted this color to be purple, like a burgundy color, but it didn't come out that way. I still love the design. At the bottom, I just put a number that I bought from Call Tools. It came in handy. I use this as one of my bandit signs, so when the calls come in, it comes straight to my dollar. When you buy numbers from Call Tools, it only costs $3, so that's how much I paid for this phone number. And I don't use it unless it is for bandit signs, so it hasn't gotten flagged or anything. I don't use this number at all. So when someone calls this number, and even if they don't leave a message, or if they don't say anything, or if I don't pick up, I will still know that they called the bandit sign number because this is the only number that I use associated with this bandit sign. Also, there are plenty websites out there where you can get bandit signs from. I actually got this from UZ Marketing. The reason that I use UZ Marketing is because I compared all of the bandit sign websites that I was interested in, and I wanted to see which one was the cheapest. Now, I'm the type, I like to ball on a budget. I don't know about y'all, but if y'all want to spend a whole bunch of money on whatever website you pick, that's just on you. The one I had a real hard time with deciding was with Dirt Cheap Signs and UZ Marketing, and I just went with UZ Marketing only because it was a little cheaper when it came out. All in all, for these rods and these signs, I believe I paid about $159, almost $200 for 100 of them, and yeah, I think that's pretty good. So how you would actually put these together is you would take the bandit sign, you would take your rod. At the end of them, they actually have these little holes. I never knew this. I was wondering how they put it in here. And then you just stick the stake into the holes. And bam, there you go. It's so cute. I love it. As I said before, I did get 100 of these. I'm not going to put out all 100 today. I'm going to split it up. I'm only going to put out 30 today. I don't want to overwhelm myself and overwork myself. So I'm going to put it at the major places that I know people are and I know people go to, like Family Dollar, Walmart, just the local big places like Food Line. We have a Food Line here. Most people may have like a Kroger or a Publix or something like that. So I'm going to hit all the major spots to put these at today, even the stop lights, the stop signs. Just when people go to stop and they have to look at your sign, that's where you want to put it at. So when it's done, I'm going to be doing 30 of these, so just stay tuned to see how they all come out.
So my man is assisting me with the bandit signs. I thought that was so sweet. And later on that night, I just put out some more bandit signs in front of like busy streets, schools, and stoplights. As you see, it's a little hard to get these things in the ground, but I finally got it.
Hey guys, so I am back from putting out bandit signs and I really had fun. I really enjoyed myself. The rush of getting outside the car and just putting them out there and then hurrying back in the car. It was really, really fun. I want you guys to just test your market if you're thinking about doing Bandit Signs. The only way you will know if Bandit Signs really and truly work for your market. Other than that, if you do choose to do Bandit Signs, I would do something a little bit different from everybody else. I would advise you to do something like putting your QR code to your website on your Bandit Sign, or just switching up the words a little bit. Just like I did cash for your house instead of we buy houses, just to make you stand out a little bit. So the next set of Bandit Signs that I am going to do, I'm going to put the QR code on there because nobody is doing that. And it will make it a lot easier for sellers just to access your website by putting their phone out instead of actually calling the number that you have, because once they pull out their phone and they scan your QR code, they can just go to your website and to their address, and that's a free lead. You got somebody's address, then you can give them a call after you run the numbers and things like that. So I feel like this is really dope, and yeah, I'm really excited to see how it turns out, and I will keep you guys updated. If this video provided value, y'all, please like and subscribe and share this video. I'm sure this video could help someone. I will see you all in my next video.